Hi traders, and welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad, and these ideas are valid for today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. Of course, guys, for even better results, you can sign up to our service on our website. It's elliottcurrency.com. And basically, you can enjoy now fully fledged methods that we have developed. Also, Camarilla MACD EA that has been making 1018 pips for the last 3 and 4 weeks. Go to our website. This is the address, elliottcurrency.com, Camarilla MACD Special 2020. And here you will see a lot of information about how to join. My account is up now. I will tell you, for more than 770%. Yeah, 776%. You can see it here. The account curve is huge. We are making so many pips, so many good trades. So I expect a continuation, because this is now the best time to trade, because I'm trading volatility, guys. I have learned to trade volatility during the global financial crisis in 2009, 10, and 11, and now I'm also trading volatility as it is the same one, and I brought my account up from 10,000 to 87,000 in more than a year. But these last couple of months have been very good. I mean, I know that it's not a good thing, this coronavirus, but for traders, it's good to have volatility. You can see only in March, 21%, all of our trades were winners. We had like 42 wins, only 5-6 losses. So very good trade, very good trades, guys. So join our community and also subscribe to here, guys. You can subscribe easily for elliottcurrency.com Camarilla MACD Special 2020, and it's very easy. You have the steps here, and you will get a huge discount of 42%, guys. So sign up for this. It's something that it's very good offer, and I think that you should go for this. Okay, everything you see here is what you can do with us, and please use this opportunity to try and trade in a much better way, guys. This is the time to make money. Now let's start with quick recap and see what we might have during these couple of days. So euro dollar is still in a sell mode, and I expect that the price will continue down if it goes higher up. So my sell levels are close to 1.1195. I won't be selling here at 1.72, so 1.1195 and eventually 1.1260. So this is where we might see a sell in the euro dollar. GBP dollar also bearish, guys, and I think the GBP dollar will also be sold. This is the biggest confluence I have here, so I will be watching to sell close to 1.2450 to 1.2470. Eventually it might also sell from 1.2385. I'm just giving you entry levels. For full price analysis with clear entries, stops, and targets, join ecs.live, where I trade each day and I manage the trade. This is where you might sign up for this, guys, and enjoy abnormal volatility. And my quest is to make 1000% account growth. You need to know this. This is my goal, to make the account from 10 to 100K. And join me. This is my quest. Okay, very good volatility to trade. So I'm planning to sell GBP dollar, guys. As again, for all of you who are watching this, these are free ideas where I give you entries, but please sign up for more to see complete trade management with complete risk management too, which is very important. So here, 2382 potential sell, 2450 also potential sell. Also, what I was watching is gold. I'm going to sell the gold again. So close to 1530, 1550 and eventually 1570 we might have a sell in gold. GBP Australian dollar bullish, so we might see a rejection again from 99.70 towards all these higher levels. Euro Australian dollar is also bullish, and we might see rejection from 80.10. Eventually, this is where the confluence is 79.10, 75.60. This is where we might also get nice profits. And of course, what I can also say is the Australian dollar, which is interesting, sell. So for me, this is a sell in between 62.40 and 62.80. This is where I'm going to sell it. So guys, watch for these quickly. The last market that I'm going to cover is Dow, of course, oil, sell. All these were sell entries here and there. And I'm also looking to sell if the market gets to 31.60 and 32.60. So in between here. So guys, join our service, ecslive.com. Go with our systems. I'm sure that you will be happy. We have excellent reviews on Forex Peace Army, and definitely volatility is good to make money now. Talk to you soon, guys. Cheers, and as always, trade safe.